Sean's house was covered from head to toe in family photographs. Some from family retreats to Ireland, others showing lost family relatives. Most of these photographs would include Sean in them. So it was only natural that he would look at them from time to time. However, one day he noticed something rather strange about the pictures. His mother seemed to have a red face in all of the photos. Rather shocked by this, he immediately ran downstairs to ask if anyone had done something to the pictures. They all answered no, even his mother, whom was quite worried. Later that day, Sean's mother went to the hospital due to horrific third-degree burns caused by a grill catching fire for an unknown reason. Sean's father decided to stay at the hospital that night and thought it best to send Sean home with his big brother Thomas and little sister Maria. As Sean walked into the house, he caught a glance of the family photograph in which he noticed the change to his mother's face, and found that Maria was not in the picture. He ran upstairs to her bedroom only to find that she was nowhere to be seen. Alarmed by these strange events, Sean called the police. Sean informed them that his sister had been kidnapped and that someone was in his house, possibly vandalizing his family's belongings. The phone immediately went dead. And as Sean went to put the phone down, he caught a glimpse of an animal in the corner of his eye. He rushed out of the safety of his room to go and find the beast, but what he found was far worse. The mangled bodies of his family lie in the corridor in front of his room, their faces frozen in a state that almost makes him vomit. And then it struck him. All the photographs had been removed from the walls, except for one which was a picture of Sean, with his face scribbled out. The next day his two best friends went to visit him. Because he was not answering his phone and was not at school all week. As they arrived, they noticed that the door had been left open. So they let themselves in, and were never seen again.